So I got a stack of records here that I need to clean. I'm going to show you a really cheap solution to making your own record cleaning fluid or record cleaning solution. You look online and there's a controversial topic apparently. I'm not going to talk about that. I've been using this solution to clean my records for years and years. Played records directly after cleaning them without issue. I played my records a decade and a half after cleaning them. No issue. If you want to go into the nuances of, oh, this is how you should clean them, this is how you shouldn't, this isn't the video for you. This is what I use, it works for me. That's what I'm going to go over. When you get records, a lot of times, you know, they're secondhand. This record is mangled. Just for purposes of showing you, you can see it's dusty. There's dust and debris all over the place. So in a case like this, I would certainly want to clean it. I'm going to show you a super easy way and super cheap way to make your own record cleaning solution instead of going on Amazon, some specialty site, and paying $20 for 8 ounces. So what do we need? First, this is just what I use to mix the solution in and to squirt it onto the records with when I'm cleaning them. It's like 99 cents or something. You'll notice a really faint mark right here to help me measure 3 parts water, 1 part isopropyl alcohol. Next, you need isopropyl alcohol. I've heard, you know, the more pure, the better. So 99% is probably the best to use, but anything over 90% should be good. This is, I don't know, maybe $10. You need distilled water. Don't get spring water. You want distilled water. It doesn't have minerals and stuff. That wouldn't be good to clean your records with. $1 a gallon, something like that. Finally, rinse agent. This is a couple bucks at Walmart. It lasts forever because you barely use any when you're making this solution. You add just a little bit of this to create some kind of suds, some bubbles, to break the surface tension so that the water and alcohol solution can kind of breach the surface, get down into the grooves. $15 worth of supplies, and I've cleaned hundreds of records with this. Maybe I've gone through a little bit of distilled water, so let's say $20. So let's get into mixing the solution. Unscrew the cap here, and we're gonna take the rinse agent. We're just gonna coat the bottom area here. Just gonna squirt it in, if you can see in there. You don't need much, very little amount. There's a little mark right there that measures 3/4 of the way up from the bottom because I want 3 parts distilled water to 1 part isopropyl alcohol. I'm just gonna fill up to this mark distilled water. I'm gonna fill the rest of the bottle with the isopropyl alcohol. There is a little bit of a thermal reaction. It gets warm. Now I'm just gonna tip it upside down and right side up just to mix everything together. And now I'm good to go. I got my record cleaning solution for, I don't know, 20 cents maybe, if that. And when I'm ready to clean a record, I'm just going to squirt solution onto it. Super easy. I'm gonna make another video next about my record cleaning setup and how to actually clean a record. Hopefully this helps, saves you some money, cleans your records, and you know, you can listen to some classics that maybe otherwise you wouldn't be able to.